everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create your Pinterest business account using your phone. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So you're going to open Pinterest. I've already put the link in the description box below. Go ahead and click that and you'll be led to a page like this. Now click on this saved at the lower right bottom of your screen, where you have your logo picture there. Then you're going to click on these three dots and then click on settings. Now you're going to scroll down and click on switch account. We are creating a new account, so click on add account. Once you are there, you will see create a new personal account, create a free business account. Go ahead and click create a free business account. Now click on create account. Now you're going to enter the username that you want. Also, so this is the email that I want to use, and then you create a password, a strong password. Your password must have 8 characters or more, then numbers and symbols combined. So that's what you're going to do now. So as you can see, my password is very strong. That's why I can see that perfection right there. Then you click on next. Then enter your full name. So I'm just going to use my brand name. Then click on next. Then you're going to enter your date of birth. So it must be 18 years and above. If you're going to add your date of birth, make sure it's 18 years and above. Then click OK, and then you click on next. So I'm going to save this email and password. Then we're going to enter our profile name. So that it can help people to find our business. So click on next. So enter your website, add your website address, and it will show here. I have a Selar account, so I'm going to copy it and paste it here. So that's going to be my website name. Paste it here, so that once anybody clicks on it, let's see, it goes straight to my Selar store and place their order. So get customized recommendations tailored for your business. So you have to describe your business by clicking one of these. I'm going to say online retail or marketplace, because we are selling our ebook on that store. Okay, assuming it was a blog, you would have selected blogger. So choose whichever one is okay for you, but for this tutorial we are choosing online retail or marketplace. Go ahead and click next. Would you ever be interested in running ads on this Pinterest? um Let me just say yes, I'm interested in advertising. Next. Now we are done. Click on this saved. As you can see, our account has been created. Now let us add our profile photo here. I'm going to use my logo. If you are using a personal account, you can use your personal picture. So I'm going to choose my logo from my phone gallery and click on done. Now we have to wait while it updates. Yeah, that is it. It has been updated. As you can see, as we added our seller website, see it's showing here. Once I click on it, it's going to take us straight to my website store, and you see my book. So this is a very detailed book. If you are interested in this book, go ahead and make your purchase. This book is going to change your life, I'm telling you. So let's go back to show us that our website is working perfectly. Then we are done creating our account. Add cover image. Let us add our cover image. So I'm going to just randomly choose an image from here for this tutorial. Let me choose this one with the laptop. Then click on done and click on update to update your cover photo. As you can see, which is looking good. Since we are an online business owner, so this picture makes perfect sense. Now that is how you can create your account, your business account on Pinterest. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. Like, comment. If you have any questions, put it in the description box or put it in the comments. I'll be there to answer you, and share with your friends so that they can learn as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.